Over 100 years ago, cats didn't scroll the feed. They patrolled the seas. Meet the real ship cats of 1900. These portraits were hidden for decades in the Europeana exhibition, The Past But Not As You Know It, cared for by libraries and museums across Europe. A single upload and one click in Nenis AI restored every detail. No layers, no sliders, just instant clarity. Nenis makes professional photo restoration effortless for creators, families, and anyone who loves seeing history come alive with color and light. Visit Nenis AI, where forgotten images find focus again.